Welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to show you what I did for my daughter's 17th birthday party. We got a file off of Etsy, cut it out in the laser, and then let the girls put it together. I think it was a pretty big success. And stick around, I'll show you how we put them together. We're going to start off making the pot, and what we'll do is we'll take the sides and put them in first. Then we'll take the upper piece where the stem is going to go through. Then the bottom piece. Then we'll add the other side piece. So you should end up with something that looks like that. Then we'll add the other connecting piece. Then what I like to do is add a little star bond, and I just coat the little connecting tabs. And we'll just take the end piece and put it together like so. Then we'll do the same thing for the other side. Take our end piece. I like to lay them flat, that way they're on the same surface. Then the edge of the planters. And there you have it, one planter. So there's several different varieties that we have to choose from. You got the very simple flowers that are two pieces to glue together, and then there's the multi variety that gets a little more tedious and can get aggravating, but we're going to build probably this one. This is probably going to be the easiest one for us to build, but all of them kind of working along the same method. They all have the little tabs that you're gluing the petals onto. So what I did was I packaged all the flowers in Ziploc bags, and I gave the girls their choice of colors and let them just dump out all the parts and pieces and sort those out. And so you get the main flower petal, the other larger petals that go around it, the smaller yellow pedestals. You've got the center stem. You've got the pieces that the petals glue onto. And then the pieces that the larger pieces glue onto. So these are the pieces that we're going to start with. I found out it was much easier to buy the pre-painted plywood off of Amazon than to try to paint the actual pieces myself. Made things go a lot faster. We've got our parts and pieces laid out here and ready to assemble. So we've got our 5 orange petals that are going to go on first, followed by our 5 yellow petals that'll go around here. Then we've got our center stem here, which will go right through the center and glue the 2 circular pieces onto the stem. But first, let's start with the pieces the petals are going to glue to. So the first piece doesn't matter which direction it goes. It's going to fit into the little small squares just like that. The yellow pieces that the pedestals fit on, it has an actual angle onto it. This angle is made to make the flowers give the appearance that they're tilted up. I don't know if you can tell from this being flat on this board how these are tilted, but that's due to this little piece right here. So let's get started gluing them in. Got all of our pieces in them now, and you can see how those are. We still have our center stem we'll need to put in eventually, and then they fill all the holes in the back. Now I'm using a CA glue called Star Bond to glue these in with, and this Star Bond comes with this small applicator tip. It really lets you get into these hard to get to spaces and makes gluing these petals in a lot easier. Now all our petals are glued together. All we've got to do is put in our center stem now, and what we'll do is we'll just put these two pieces together. They slide inside of each other like so, and then we'll put a dab of CA glue on the outside just to hold them, and then stick it through the center. The first centerpiece is cut out just like a cross hatch, just like what this, to mirror this piece that we just put in. I'll put just a dot of glue on each side. Then our final centerpiece will go right on the top here. Alright, there we have it. And all we've got to do now is glue our stem to our flower. You can see I've got some charred marks on the back of my stem. I'll get that off with some alcohol, but yeah, I like to turn them upside down and just glue them straight like that. Make sure you have your flower pointed in the right direction. There's our flower. Pretty simple project, and like I said, I did this for my daughter's birthday party, and the girls, they really liked it, and a lot of them took them home with them, and hopefully they'll have them for years to come. So thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.